Welcome to Healthy Grandpa Secrets and Him, where growing older means growing stronger. Let's make these years your healthiest yet.
Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, wait, was that wrinkle there yesterday? Or maybe you feel more tired than usual, even after a full night's sleep. Maybe your joints ache a bit more, your memory isn't as sharp, or your digestion seems off. These could be your body's way of waving a red flag and saying, hey, we're aging too fast. But here's the good news. These signs aren't the end of the road. In fact, they're clues. Clues your body gives you to slow things down and maybe even reverse them. Yes, even after 60. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 10 biggest warning signs that your body is aging too fast. And, more importantly, exactly what you can do about it. This isn't about vanity. It's about quality of life, independence, and staying vibrant for as long as possible. Stick around, because the tips we'll share might just add years, not just to your life, but to your health and energy. Let's jump in. Warning sign number 1. Constant fatigue. Do you wake up feeling tired even after sleeping 8 hours? Do you need a nap just to make it through the afternoon? Fatigue that doesn't improve with rest is a major red flag. It could mean your cells aren't producing energy as efficiently, which is a key part of aging. The fix. Start by getting your vitamin B12 and iron levels checked. Low levels of either can zap your energy. Add more leafy greens, beans, eggs, and fish into your diet. And move your body. Walking, swimming, or gentle stretching all help your mitochondria, your energy producers, work better. Warning sign number 2. Frequent forgetfulness. Everyone forgets where they put their glasses sometimes. But if you find yourself frequently forgetting names, appointments, or repeating yourself, take notice. Cognitive decline can start earlier than most people think. The fix. Mental decline is not inevitable. Challenge your brain every day. Try puzzles, read new books, or learn a language. Even better, move your body while doing it. Research shows that physical activity, combined with mental activity, strengthens neural connections. Also, eat more omega-3s, found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, to nourish your brain. Warning sign number 3. Dry, thin, or sagging skin. Your skin tells a story, and if it's becoming thin, dry, or sagging too quickly, it's often a sign that your collagen production is slowing dramatically. The fix. Hydration is step 1. Most seniors don't drink enough water. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses a day. Then, add collagen-boosting foods like bone broth, citrus fruits for vitamin C, and leafy greens. You can also take a collagen peptide supplement, but always talk to your doctor first. Warning sign number 4. Digestive issues. Constipation, bloating, or frequent heartburn aren't just annoying. They're a sign that your digestive system may be slowing with age. And a slow digestive system means less nutrient absorption and more inflammation. The fix. Fiber is your best friend, especially soluble fiber found in oats, apples, and flax seeds. Also, add probiotics like yogurt or kefir to feed your gut with good bacteria. And don't forget to chew your food slowly. Digestion starts in the mouth. Warning sign number 5. Joint stiffness and aches. Do you groan a little when standing up, or find it harder to move first thing in the morning? That's a classic sign that your joints are aging. But it doesn't mean you're doomed to arthritis. The fix. Anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and omega-3s can reduce joint pain. Gentle daily movement like Tai Chi, stretching, or even water aerobics can keep your joints limber and lubricated. And if you're overweight, losing just 10 pounds can take pressure off your knees. Warning sign number 6. Sudden weight gain, especially around the belly. If your pants don't fit anymore, but your eating habits haven't changed, it could be a sign of aging-related hormone shifts, especially reduced testosterone, estrogen, and increased cortisol. The fix: focus on protein. Seniors often don't get enough, and it helps keep your metabolism firing. Include strength training in your routine. Resistance bands or light weights are perfect. And prioritize sleep. Poor sleep raises cortisol and makes weight gain worse. Warning: sign number 7. Mood swings or irritability. Feeling more anxious, depressed, or easily annoyed than you used to? Emotional changes are common with aging, but they're not just in your head. They're often linked to brain inflammation or nutrient imbalances. The fix: magnesium, B-complex vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids all support emotional balance. Spend time in sunlight, hello vitamin D, and stay socially connected. Isolation is a major cause of depression after 60. Call a friend, join a walking group, or volunteer. Warning sign number 8. Poor sleep quality. Do you struggle to fall asleep, or stay asleep, or wake up still feeling groggy? Poor sleep accelerates aging. Your body repairs itself at night, and if you're not sleeping deeply, that repair process breaks down. The fix: set a consistent bedtime, avoid caffeine after 2 p.m., and turn off screens 1 hour before bed. Try a warm bath or chamomile tea to relax. Magnesium glycinate and melatonin can help, but ask your doctor first. And make your bedroom cool and dark like a cave. Your brain loves it. Warning sign number 9. Loss of muscle mass. If you notice you're weaker or your muscles look smaller even though you're active, that's a big red flag. Muscle loss, called sarcopenia, is one of the biggest causes of frailty in seniors. The fix: prioritize protein at every meal, especially breakfast. Eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, and lean meats are great options. Then lift something, anything. You don't need a gym. Canned food, water bottles, resistance bands, all work. Just challenge your muscles 3 to 4 times a week. Warning sign number 10. Decreased interest in life. If you feel a sense of apathy, like you're just going through the motions, it's often a sign your mental and emotional health are out of balance, and it's more common than you think. The fix: find purpose again. Whether it's learning a new skill, growing a garden, joining a community class, or even starting a YouTube channel to share your wisdom, do something that excites you. Purpose is powerful. It gives your body and brain a reason to thrive. Now here's the most important thing. Aging is not something that happens to you. It's something you can influence. Every meal, every walk, every laugh with friends, every hour of good sleep, it all counts. You're not powerless. In fact, the choices you make today can dramatically change how you feel tomorrow. If any of these 10 warning signs rang a bell for you, don't panic. Instead, let it be a signal, a wake-up call, to invest in yourself. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 tips and add them to your routine this week. Then, build from there. You deserve to feel strong, sharp, and full of energy, no matter your age. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Because aging well isn't a solo journey, it's a team sport. Stay vibrant, stay curious, and remember, you've got this.